In this video, we'll look at how to download brackets code editor. So you go to your browser, search for brackets and press enter. Scroll down. Now the first results, click on it. This one that says brackets.io. Click on it. I'll cancel this. Now click on download from phcode.io. Now it used to be called brackets, but now it's called Phoenix Code. So click on download, then save it. I'll save it in my downloads right here, downloads. So click on save. As you can see, it's downloading up here. So it's just about 51.3 MB. So I'll wait for it to download. The download is completed, so click on this arrow and then click on open to execute the file. Click on OK, click on next, and click on I agree. Click on next and click on install. Click on next and click on finish. So let's cancel this. Let's cancel this one also. Let's cancel this one also. So the way it works is that Phoenix Code allows you to preview your code as you write your code. So right now, let me create an HTML document. I will click here, click on new file. Let's name this hello.html. Press enter on your keyboard, and by default, Phoenix Code gives you the starter HTML structure for you to start working with. So anything you want the user of your website to see goes in the body. So I'll click in between the opening and closing body tag. I'll press enter. So in between, I would type in what I want the users of my website to see. Let's type welcome. Welcome to my site. You can see as I type, I see the results, a live preview of what I'm coding. So that's one advantage of using Phoenix Code.